right. Woo! This is the best birthday ride ever!
It's like this one's not paying attention or something.
Let me see.
Go back, see if I got anything. I went back.
Oh. Maybe hold it down. Woo! Wahoo! Are you gonna join the chase? Oh man.
I need lots of lead time on that.
Alright.
Okay, I know about how much lead time to do now. For sure about now.
Oh man, my finger was over the flash. Do it again, Dad.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, we got lag time on this one, we got lag time on that one.
Yeah, we're just gonna get a
1, 2.
no. No motion with these lag times.
Dad, where are we going? Dad, hurry up, let's go. I'm gonna get up.
I
Okay.
think I got a good one.
Oh. And there's Wahoo. Okay. This is great.
Yeah, I got it.
Bye.